What's the meaning of Chiantishire? Chiantishire. Chiantishire.
Chiantishire. Chiantishire. There is no commonly accepted meaning for the term Chiantishire. However, it is believed to be a portmanteau of Chianti, a wine region in Tuscany, Italy, and Shire, a British term for a county. The term has been used to describe areas that have a strong Italian influence and are popular with expatriates and retirees from the UK. It may also refer to a fictional place or an imaginary destination. Overall, the meaning of Chiantishire remains ambiguous and open to interpretation.